Dear student, today I discuss the chapter work, power and energy. In this chapter I discuss the topic work done by a constant force. You do work when any body will move from one place to another place in front of any force. That is called the work. That will clear. If I put a body on any place and place due to influence of force on here to there, then that body will displace from here to there. That separation, that means you can say this is called the work. Okay. So by the definition, work is measured by the product of the applied force and the displacement of the body in the direction of the force. Suppose here we are applying some force on this F on this body. So influence of that body will displace from here to there and travel a displacement S. So work done is equal to the work is equal to force into displacement in the direction of force. So distance is measured in the direction of force. One very important thing here. So this become work is equal to F dot S. This is the scalar product. The scalar product. So we will do this one, and its unit is joule and dimension is F into S. So F is a Newton and this is meter, and Newton is equal to meter per second minus 2 into meter. So this becomes meter square second minus 2. So this become ml2 t minus 2. So dimension of work is ml2 t minus 2. Okay beta. Now in the first case you see the work done is equal to F dot S. In the second case you can see in figure applying force or acting force, this will incline with angle theta, making with some angle theta. So in this situation make a generate a component F cos theta toward the body displaced. So work done become F is equal work done is equal to F cos theta into S. So this become Fs cos theta. This is the general property for case 2. Okay. Work is basically three types of work. Now first, positive work. Now second, negative. Now third, zero work. Three types of work: positive work, negative work and zero work. So what is positive work? Now if theta is 0, between the making angle is 0 between the F and displacement, suppose so in this situation work done become Fs cos 0. So work done become Fs. So in this situation work will be positive. So then doing work done will be positive. So that work is called the positive work. So here this is the first. Okay. And if theta is, if theta is 180 degree, so work done become Fs cos 180 degree, so work done become minus Fs. So you can see this is negative work done. So this is negative work done. Okay, beta. And third, if theta is 90 degree, an angle between the making angle is 90 degree between the F and displacement is 90 degree. So work done become Fs cos 90 degree. So work done become 0. So in this situation, doing work done will be 0. This is its example is when a coolie is carrying a bag from one platform to another platform, then doing work done will be 0. Due to, you can say, guess some force are acting in downward, and so that is 90 degree between the from displacement, then the doing work done by the pulley is 0. Okay, beta. So there are three types of nature. I hope no problem, beta. Clear?